àlàyé nípa àṣàkáṣà lórí social media náà ni mo ṣe ń bá lọ tí mo ní ohun gbogbo tẹ́ bá ń rí lórí social media kọ́ níjòdodo àtòótọ́. mo ṣàlàyé nínú apá kìíní orin nípa ìyàwó tó ya passport ọkọ rẹ̀ òjò awógbèmí mo tún dé ó yá ẹ wá gbọ́ húlẹ̀húlẹ̀. ọkọ ìyàwó ti jáde síta láti ṣàlàyé òdodo ọ̀rọ̀ tí ń bẹ nídìí ìṣẹ̀lẹ̀ ọ̀hún fún wa gbọ́. ó ní skit làwọn ṣe ìyẹn erékeré tí mò ń wí lórí social media ṣe bẹ́ẹ̀ rántí bí mo ṣe forin ṣòfófó ọ̀rọ̀. ọkọ ìyàwó ọ̀hún lẹ́ ń wò yìí o àtòun àtàwọn ọmọ rẹ̀ ni wọ́n jọ ń rawọ́ ẹ̀bẹ̀ síjọba nàìjíríà gbogbo tó ṣẹlẹ̀ ní ẹ́pọ̀ọ̀tù ṣe làwọn ń ṣerékeré pé kíjọba dákun kó fọwọ́ wọnú sí wọn. ẹ̀rín pa mí èmi òjò awógbèmí ṣé bí mo ti ṣàlàyé ẹ̀ tẹ́lẹ̀ pérékeré ni wọ́n ń ṣe ẹ̀yin lẹ fẹ́ gbà. ẹ̀kúnrẹ́rẹ́ fọ́nrán fídíò tọkọ ìyàwó ti rawọ́ ẹ̀bẹ̀ síjọba lẹ́ ń wò yìí o wọ́n play rẹ̀ fún kálukú gbọ́ ẹ̀yin ni ẹ farabalẹ̀ gbálàyé òdodo. ṣé ẹ tún ti gbọ́ nípa ti Bobrisky tóun náà tún ní júwẹ́rì ọrùn òun 30 million 18 karat gold 240 gram níwọ̀n tó gbé ó ní kì í sọ̀rọ̀ àwàdà. ẹ jọ̀ọ́ ẹ jájọ bí Bobrisky ọ̀rẹ́ wa wípé ṣáàlẹ̀ rí rìsíìtì tí wọ́n fi ra chain ọrùn ọ̀hún kó ba lè yé gbogbo ọmọ nàìjíríà. ẹ̀yin aráàlú wa lórí social media ohun gbogbo tí ń dọ́kọ́ ni wúrà ohun gbogbo tẹ́ ẹ bá ń rí tẹ́ ẹ bá ń gbọ́ lórí social media yìí kọ́ níjó títọ́ ká mọ́ lọ ṣìnà ká para wa lórí ọ̀rọ̀ àwọn èèyàn tí ń gbégbé sí ayé fake life lórí social media ṣé kó wá ń gbọ́ làbárè. òjò awógbèmí kábíyèsí mo sọ yìí mo dúró ná ó yá ẹ tẹ́tí ẹgbẹ́ àlàyé ọkọ nínú fọ́nrán fídíò tí mo ń ṣàlàyé ẹ̀. ṣùgbọ́n kẹ́ tó gbọ́ ẹ bá mi subscribe sí kábíyèsí TV lórí YouTube bí wọ́n ti kọ́ rèé kò rújú ẹ fọ́lọ́ kábíyèsí TV lórí Facebook àti lórí TikTok kẹ́balẹ̀ mọ́ gbọ́rọ̀ òdodo kábíyèsí TV ìkànnì ìmọ́lẹ̀.
I'm here with my keys to send a message of appeal to the public of Nigeria, to the whole world also, that what my wife told is not passport. Please be a blogger. When you are blogging, blog and blog well. Don't blog to spoil things. Please. She never torn my passport. She never spoiled my passport. My passport is intact. We are doing a skit. It's a skit. This is somebody's story of what happened that we are passing to the world. But I don't even know that maybe it will go to the way that the blogger will not take it to another standard. Please, I'm begging the national TV, the Tunde Enon, Daddy Freeze, and so many which I cannot remember. That, please, I'm begging everybody. This is not maybe passport she tore. If actually she tore a passport, I was the one that bent down to pick it. Please, I'm begging everybody now. I believe the immigration have seen my passport, that my passport is intact. Nobody should just try and drag this thing to the mud. Please. These are my kids. Jefta and Joella, tell the world, please, they should try and understand. Oh, yeah, say, please.
Please, what did my daddy say, please?
Okay. You heard him and you heard our sister, the sister. What I said is the truth. Nothing but the truth. And for the number one thing of the immigration of Nigeria, we say sorry. We cannot defy the law of Nigeria. We are full bona fide Nigeria, and we cannot go against your law by destroying the passport of Nigeria. It's not possible. I have my passport in full. I believe your security and your officers they saw it. The passport is in full, but we say please, if we offended by doing that skit. Please, to the immigration officers, to the Controller General of Immigration, we say, please, we are sorry. We are sorry for this. Is a prank video. Nothing more than that. Please, please. It's just a what will I, is it a carbon paper, will I call it? It's not passport, please. We should try and understand. Please, I'm begging everyone. God bless you. Thank you.